So we have another air raid alert. You can see that this is in the evening, but still early enough in the evening where we have daylight. And you can't hear the sirens very well right now because of the traffic. There it is. You hear that? So pray for us. Again, just keep praying for us, that there's peace in this city because your prayers are being heard. That's why I keep saying pray for us, because it's peaceful here. I'm able to work. I'm able to get things done. People are safe. The children, the women are safe. You see people walking down here. Keep praying for us.